good nature personality. Monitor. Marita. Prince Williams is married with Mrs. John. And the leader is blessed with 9 children. He is the National Chief Executive Officer, Promoter, and the Managing Director of Williams Stock Prince. He is a business mogul who was made Williams according to the status level who the Jerry Street. Physical life, stage name, Sampe Master, Prince Williams, Mbah as young as musician. Corporate known as Sampe. His outstanding skills and educational background in music mainly to learn music production from Superstar Studio, Dozier Studio. Yet he recognized the total number of 20 albums to his name. Jesus Eze, excellent God, anyone must hear this. Igbo ni Oba Owabukoye. His title and coronation, Prince Williams Mbah, aka Sampe Master. He is a traditionalist who was founded by His Royal Highness Akajiofor II in Igbo Land, as well as Ozo title, Ozo Ementaemeimo, one of Igbo Land. Permit me to present a very great man of our time, a good man of our time, very sincere man to the core, my Oga on top. His Excellency, do the intro, sir.
Ozo Akajiovu. Yes, I'm most happy to be here to give you this award personally. Yes,
Amaka Jesus.
I met you to be wonderful. You're a great friend indeed. And your love for humankind, I don't take for granted. Also, EMAF has found you worthy. And that's why they said that they should present this award to you, award of excellence. They've counted many things you've been doing. That's why they said, today I should give you this award of excellence. So, Ozo Prince Chukwuemeka, Chukwubuzor, Mbah, Akajiofor II, congratulations, sir.
Akakoba. Ozo Ementaemeimo. Can you be present to Tabazie? They may choose go. His Excellency, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Because Guy Kenan is actually the governor of Enugu State PM and chapter here. Thank you, sir. Despite now we're a tight schedule event tonight, Enugu North in a major but he brought out time to spend with us. God bless you, sir. Awesome.
Great EMAF. Great EMAF. The greatest EMAF. P-Man.
One love.
P-Man.